Today we're trying a new spot on an old favorite, so let's head to the Delta.
All right, let's see what we got here. Up down there. Like we're in Appalachia. Look at that.
We're back at 3 Mile Creek today, but this time we are east of Spring Hill Lake, which we visited before, link down below. And we are just south of the Japanese gardens that we visited before, link down below.
Let's see if there's anything in this pool, shall we? This is sizable here. I can see a bluegill right there. Maybe a redbreast. I think this is a little more meal than it can handle, though. Man, it's a big turtle. Let's see what we can do with the smaller lure. Little fellas. Whoa! Look at that. Is that a bowfin? That thing was big for this little pond, like 4 or 5 pounds. I don't know if that was a carp or a bowfin. Man, that was a big fish. Something nibbling.
This little spot here is just so picturesque, and so peaceful when you consider that we're right smack dab in the middle of an urban area. It's refreshing, to say the least.
I know a little spot further up this creek that I think will generate something. Oh, there's a nice bluegill right there. What you think, bluegill? No? No? And a turtle chasing the bluegill. I just hopped that right over the back of a turtle. Box back in here and work our way back up this hill. I may not have caught anything here, but my gosh, isn't this spot beautiful? If I can get up in here. I don't know if I can make this to the bank or not. We'll see. Out for snakes. There are lots of briars. You may call them stickers. There we go. I don't know if I'm going to do any good, but we'll give it a try. That's really cloudy. It's ain't looking good. Big fish down there. Well, you know, traditional pool. Woo! Wow, look how pretty that one is. Holy cow. That redbreast is beautiful. Look at that, would you? Just a gorgeous fish. That was the one I saw down there. It's probably the alpha in this pool too, so I don't know. Gotta rescue that guy. He's the king of the hill here. I guess he made his way back down there. Well, that's impressive. Oh, there he is. I'm coming, buddy. I'm coming. Whew, I almost went in the drink. Trying to rescue my fish pal. And he is just gone. There he is. Come on, buddy. You're almost there, pal. Got you back in. All right. Excellent. Ha ha ha. There we go. Another beautiful redbreast. A little smaller, still fun as the dickens. Ha ha ha.
Well, I think that's going to wrap it up here from 3 Mile Creek. But I'll see you on the Delta.
That's 3. Let's get. Whew. Well, that's fun.
Hey y'all, got time for a quick story. Once upon a time, there was somebody watching videos and they tapped on like and subscribe. The end.